Here we are in section 5-1, exercises 28 through 35. Here we're going to add just a couple of little bit of things where we have to simplify it first before we can get rid of the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division by using the opposite or inverse operation. Number 28, notice that we have some 5x's that we need to get together. So there's actually negative 2x's plus 3 equals 15. Yeah, we simplified by combining those like terms. Now, hey, we're back here where we're going to get rid of the addition, subtraction. So subtract 3 of a negative 2x equals 12. And then multiplication, division, divide by a negative 2, divide by a negative 2. And we're left with x equals 12 divided by negative 2 is a negative 6. Number 29. Yep, we got the 3x and the 2x, so that's a 5x minus 9. All on this left-hand side here simplifies down to that, equals a negative 3. Okay, we've got to get rid of the 5 and the negative 9. Remember, we must do the addition subtraction first here. Add 9 to both sides, and we get 5x. That guy's gone, equals 6. And then do the opposite of multiplying by 5, which is dividing by 5. X equals 6/5. You can leave it like that, or if you'd like to change it to 1 and 1/5, or 1.2. Those are also legitimate answers. Okay, this one, oh good, hey, minus 5, we get 0.3p equals, because that guy's now gone, 14. Divide by 0.3, divide by 0.3, and we get p equals, 14 divide, we have to do division by decimals. That's the same thing as 3, move the decimal, into 140. 3 goes into 14 4 times. It's 12. Subtract, we get 20. 3 goes into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract, and we get remainder 2. So if we did a decimal like that, 3 goes into 26 times and it repeats. So it's going to be 46.6 repeater. I guess we could have written it as 140 thirds would have been also another way of writing it. And then, or if we would have rounded to the nearest decimal place, that would have given us our nearest tenth, maybe 46.7 or something like that. Good. Moving along to number, let's box that guy in, sorry. Moving along to number 31. 3x plus 10 equals 4. Get rid of the addition subtraction first. Minus 10, we get 3x equals 4 minus 10 is a negative 6. Now the multiplication division, divide by 3, and we get x equals a negative 2. Excellent. Number 32, 4f plus 9 equals 9. Subtract the 9, we get 4f equals 0. Divide by 4, and we get f equals 0. Yeah, 0 divided by anything is 0, indeed. Number 33. Ooh, fractions. Oh my goodness. So subtract 3/5. We get 2/5 x plus, nope, that's gone, equals, so this is, in slow motion, common denominator, 55/5 minus 3/5, and that is 52/5. All right. Then, times by 5/2. Again, we're dividing by 2/5. So timesing by the reciprocal, same thing. That guy cancels completely out, leaving x equals, let me see, that guy cancels there, and we get 52/2. Divide by 2, and that equals 26. All right, x equals 26. Oh, I guess we could have done that up here. Divided by 2, you get 26, divided by 2, and there we go. All right, number 34. Oh, look at how many t's we have here. 1, 2, and then 4 more. That's 6t minus 7 equals 17. We get rid of the minus 7 by adding 7. And then 6t equals 24. Now get rid of the multiplication, divide by 6, and we get t equals 4. Excellent. And now number 35, 2x minus 7x, that's a negative 5x, plus 15 equals 7. Get rid of the addition subtraction, step 2, so subtract 15, subtract 15. So there we have negative 5x equals a negative 8. Divide by that negative 5, divide by that negative 5, and we get x equals a positive 8/5. You can also write that as a mixed number, not as common, 1 3/5, or as a decimal would give you 1.6. Excellent.